it is 6:11 a.m. and we're gonna buy drinks. Press OK. And then put 30. All of that is 10. 30. How many tens? 3. That's right. What's happening? I don't know.
Go to Taiwan. I got so many items. I need to buy one or anything.
So where are we going, Ati? What station? What number? 18. Okay, good. Alright, we'll go this way. It says there platform number 1. So you have to look at the train. Train number 1. Where is it? What side is it? This one or the other side? Where does it say 1? That one or this one?
This one.
This one. Very good. So their train stations here are a bit confusing. There's a lot of people and a lot of like crossing.
What?
Yeah. So you have to stick with mommy if you don't want to get lost, okay? You have your air tags? Where's your air tags? Good job. Okay. Taiwan for how many hours are we here? 6 hours. Let's go. X2. XPark. This is the landmark where you can come here inside and go to XPark. Child and adult.
You scan 1 and child go inside first.
Okay.
You scan 1.
Okay. Alright.
And scan 2. Thank you.
Thank you. Ati, come on. Oh, you can get those? Get the pencil. No, this one, pang 4 to 12 years old. See? 4到7岁，就是8到12岁。哦哦哦！You get the pencil. Oh, walang ink. Never mind. Okay. UV siya, Ati.
Huh?
UV. Give me your notebook. Put it there, put it there. Tapat mo sa light.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Weird.
That's awesome, right?
Pencil.
Here, here's your pencil. Ooh. Wow! Kami lang yung tao. Wala pang iba. Wow! Look at the fish.
Mama, big stingray.
I know! Everything's so huge.
It's trying to camouflage.
There's a shark.
No, those are cat sharks.
What are they called?
Cat shark.
Cat shark or catfish?
cat shark.
Cat sharks? It's not a shark shark.
No, it's a cat shark.
How about this one? This one.
All of the sharks here are cat sharks.
How do you know they're cat shark? They're not great white. Look, oh. White yung tip ng ano.
Oh, no.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. There's bigger ones there too.
Or big. See? This is the cat, and then this one's the cat. Everything's like that.
Okay.
Go, Mom.
Where are we going?
Going to see more animals.
We're gonna see more what?
Animals.
Or what have we seen?
I saw a cat shark and orange ones. It says that the cat will. So we're gonna meet different kinds of penguins now.
Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Felize. Are you swimming? Is that a shark? What?
Sorry, just checking you out. Mama, I see giant starfish walking. There's a starfish walking.
Oh, it is walking.
And the fish is looking for food.
Look at that.
They're friends.
Whoa. Oh, there's someone cleaning.
Did you see that fish?
Whoa. Did you see that?
Down?
Whoa.
Is that ice?
Is it a sea lion?
I don't know. Let's see.
It's a sea lion, right?
I don't know.
It's here.
Here, there. Over
Spot
there.
shrimp.
Look over there.
Oh, I know. Can't see it. Ah, there you go.
There's one here.
Arrow. Ooh, why is it dark? Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god. Squid.
Octopus. Say hi. What is this? What? Oh, these are the fish that are in the dark. That means they sleep or they stay at the bottom of the ocean. Where is it? Oh, there. Oh,
They're sleeping.
this one also. Look at this.
Oh my god.
It looks grumpy. And this one is what? What is this? Bathynomos giganteus. Ugh, looks like ipis. Yuck. Looks like a cockroach.
We have to climb up there.
So this is the interactive zone, Adzi. So you can play around with this. Huh? Yeah. Tap it.
There you go.
Whoa. Where are we going? Galing, oh.
Yeah.
And we go down. Where are we going?
Maybe is this the end?
What?
Is this the end?
I'm not sure. I hope not, because there's penguins, right?
I think this is the end. Wait, we saw this banana. We just saw this.
Yeah, this is the back part. We're behind the aquarium.
Oh my gosh.
And there's a big shark. There's a big shark.
Oh my gosh, that's for mommy. Come,
What?
go there.
Here at the jellyfish part. Ooh, this is so nice. Wow. Where they study the?
Octopus.
No, the jellyfish. What is this? Artemia. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Oh, the food.
Jellyfish.
Mm-hmm.
They're studying about food.
Yeah. What? Put your finger on the glass. Yun sila kaliit. Parang kuko lang ni Felize. How cute. These are even smaller. What? Oh, these are even smaller.
More smaller.
Yeah. Felize, look at this.
What?
Whoa. Whoa. This is amazing. What? There. Ooh. Ooh. Look, Titi.
Yes, I saw. And there's a big
Stand beside the glass so I can take a picture.
Look. They have names.
They have names?
Yeah, look.
Stand beside. Stand beside. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look, oh. Saying hi to you. Go to the glass. Go to the glass. Touch the glass, baby.
Hello.
Yeah, no, it's looking at you, oh.
Pretending it's not looking at me.
See? Oh, these are tall.
They're tall. And why are they standing like that?
Oh, they can go from here to there, Atsi.
What?
Yeah, there's a bridge, see? On top. And then there's a slide. They can come here. They can swim.
See, I told you, he's not a baby.
Ooh, look. Where did they go? They went here. Where will they go? There? There! They went here.
Huh? Can I see?
Look, 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 look. Some of them are gonna go to the hole. Go. 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 Go.
So,
Look, look, go.
so
But that penguins are birds?
how are they birds?
Yeah, they're birds. Birds that swim.
That-
Because they fly. Look, they're flying in the
they
water.
look like flying.
Yeah.
Come on,
There's one more going down. Where are we going? This is going. So we have to go down.
I'll be back. Oh, now
Is this the exit already? Yeah. How did you like this so far?
maybe
It's like Ocean Park when we went to when we went with Jackson, right?
but it's not. This the end.
What animal is that supposed to be?
It's just
The
a.
open
Light. Can she just see inside? Yeah. Okay. Okay, later. Yeah. Sorry, we can't watch it.
Yeah. Sorry.
But you're happy?
Yes.
Yes.
We went to lunch already. There we go. Here is your notepad.
Thank
And
you.
I'm gonna stamp here so you know where to go.
But why does it say Felize on the book?
Because it comes from me.
Okay, we are now going back to the airport. Did you have fun, bebe? There's no playground. Yeah. Maganda siya, no? It's like a nicer ocean park. Pretty much layout ocean park din. Sulit yung bayad. Pwede na. Just for something to do. Pero on the more expensive side siya. Yan. So, we're heading back to the airport.